In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps to add your high school information to your Facebook page. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging in to your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap on Pages to proceed. To switch to your desired page, tap the down arrow located next to the profile photo at the top of the screen. Select the specific page you wish to switch to, then tap on your page's profile picture. Next, tap the Edit icon at the top right corner of the page. Scroll down until you find the Edit Your About Info option at the bottom. Under the Education section, tap on Add High School. Enter the name of your high school in the provided field, and click on Save at the bottom to save your changes. Your high school information is now successfully added to your Facebook page. By following these simple steps, you can personalize your profile and connect with others who share your educational background. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to enhance your social media experience.